Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Yolanda Monique, and from the title you can see I am unboxing my BoxyCharm base box. It got in today, and so I wanted to share with you what I've gotten. I've already looked inside and I decided I wanted to try on the makeup as I'm reviewing it. So here is what the box looks like. And as you can see, the theme is sunshine with BoxyCharm, and I think it's pretty cute. So I have this right here so we can go over. The first thing that you see is a color swish, and this is from Lavish. And if you don't know what a color swish is, it's basically what you would use to clean your brushes. And I actually own one from Sephora, so I'm not sure how. I'm trying to grab the one from Sephora. So it's dirty, but you can see I have a color switch already. So now I have a second one. So let's see what this says. The Lavish Quick Color Swish Dry Brush Cleanser. This is a quick color switching brush cleanser. You can quickly remove powder pigments from your makeup brushes without water. Reusable and washable. MSRP is $20. So I do use this when I'm trying to switch up all my brushes and things. The next thing I see in here is the Clean Skin Club. So here is the Clean Skin Club out the bottle. I mean, the bottle is absolutely gorgeous. It's a vitamin C booster, and it has a powerful mix of pineapple, watermelon, and green tea extract comes together to create the ultimate all-in-one serum. This vitamin C brightening booster brightens the complexion for glowing skin, protects against UV damage, and helps reduce eventual signs of aging. MSRP is $49.95. So again, this was my choice. Let me see what it smells like. I don't really smell anything. It's like at first I thought maybe I smelled green tea, but I am glad that this was my choice, and I'm looking forward to it. This is from Hourglass, and it looks like it's a brow pencil. It's the micro brow sculpting pencil, and the shade I have is warm brunette. So here it is right here. And the Hourglass Arch Brow Micro Pencil, Sculpting Pencil, an ultimate precise brow pencil designed to impart the thinnest hair-like strokes for microblading worthy effects. With this blade, the 1.4 millimeter tip provides complete control for natural defined brows. MSRP is $28. It does have a spoolie on the end. So the tip is oval shaped, and let's see what the shade is. Can you even see that? That's it right there. So I haven't done my eyebrows because I did, like I said, I looked inside the box to see what I had. So let's go ahead and do this. The color matches my hair, so that's good. I think that's pretty good. I normally would put like a wax or a different brow product on top of it just to seal it, but I'm curious to see how long this lasts just by itself. Now this brow is a lot sparse than this one, so this will really be the test. I am going through a lot of product, I will tell you that. Yeah, that looks pretty good. So the next thing in here is the makeup item, but I do like how bright it is. I mean, look at that. That is, and I love the holographic image. And then on the back, of course, it does tell you the name of the different shadows. And so here's what the package looks like. So it's very similar to the front. In fact, it's almost identical. And it does have a mirror, so I don't want to blind you guys. So this is what it looks like. We'll definitely try a look. I'm wearing a purple shirt, but I don't think I'm going to use purple. Pure Cosmetics Festival 2.0 eyeshadow palette. Get into the state of intense euphoria with this shimmering infused 12-piece pressed pigment palette that instantly coats lids in a dreamy, irresistible color that shines. Fully loaded with striking light reflective formula, these cruelty-free pigments come complete with a matte and transition shades. MSRP is $36. First thing that I want to do is I'm going to lay down a base, and so the first shade I'm going to go into is Dreamland, because it's kind of like a orangey shade, so it's right there. So I'm going to try Dreamland, and let's see. Ooh, okay. It's kind of powdery when I tapped into it. You could, I don't know if you'll be able to see the little powder. So, oh, that's definitely not the shade that I thought it was going to be, but that's okay. Let's go into Instaworthy. So yeah, Instaworthy would be a better transition shade, even though it's a lot more pinky on me. So I guess I'm just mixing the two. I'm going to go into Onset right here, which is a deep brown. I will say this has some kick up. When I put it on the brush, it's like I'm just tapping my brush into it and it's creating a well. I'm going to go into, I want a little bit darker, so I'm just going to go Instaworthy on its own just to kind of intensify that bridge. And given the fact that it's a dark brown, I'm actually going to try VIP Pass, but part of me is like Euphoric might be interesting, so let's go outside the comfort zone and let's do Euphoric. On this side. And then I'm going to go into Instaworthy, which is that shade that I used earlier, with a little bit of Onset just to brighten, center up the bridge. And now I'm going to go into Euphoric, which is kind of like a green with flecks of silver and gold. There's a little blue in there too. I'm really liking that. So what I'm going to do is go back into Onset and I'm going to do underneath the eye. And I'll use some concealer to clean that up. But that's pretty much the eye look. Since I didn't get anything else, I'm going to put on some false lashes and line my eye and then use some concealer to kind of clean this up, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I have my lashes on. I finished putting my face together and I'm really liking how this eye look looks, especially with the halo eye and the, what is the name of the shade that I used again? Utopia. It's like a gorgeous look, and I feel like you could wear this during the day because it's not like boom, like dark or anything like that, or like I just need you to look at me. But I do like the way it looks, and I'm like really loving halo eyes lately. So let me know what you think about that. But last thing in the box is from Hank and Henry, and it is Sexed. And here is the packaging. I love how it's like this beautiful red. I did see this on BoxyCharm's website where they were talking about this. So I'm so excited if I could ever open a package. Look at this. It's shimmery and it's red, and again the name is, it's a matte satin and it is called Sext, S-E-X-T. So here it is, and it's a, okay, I knew it. Okay, push the top and it comes out the bottom. I knew they said one of them, and I was like, I'm pushing the bottom. So you push the little top with their logo, and then it pops out the bottom. And the outside is shimmery, but it's supposed to be a matte. So here we go. It's an interesting color. It's a brown. It's a gray brown. Now I'm going to show you how to make this work, because on me, just like this, I look like I'm dead. So first thing I'm going to do is grab a lip liner, and I'm going to use the one that I always use because I know it looks good on me. Again, it's not really meant to be a lip liner, so I feel like that is a lot more doable and workable than when it comes straight out. I wasn't expecting it to be like a brownie gray. It probably doesn't match the eye look though. Just realized that I didn't tell you what this is. So this is the Hank & Henry Lip Love Luxe lipstick. Love your lips with Lip Love Luxe lipstick. Well, you were trying to be a tongue twister. Literally, it is Lip Love Luxe lipstick. This luxurious lipstick is decorated in a beautiful shimmering coat that dissolves as it applies to your lips and is encapsulated in a stunning ruby container. The formula is smooth and leaves a creamy satin finish or moisturized cream finish. MSRP is $17. I'm curious to see what other shades they have, because I really love how, I mean, it, when I'm looking at it, it has like, it's got kind of like an iridescent purple and, iridescent purple, and then it's got like some other little shimmers in it. See that? It's gorgeous. I mean, the shade, I wouldn't have called this Sext, but you know, can't help that. Now that I have the lipstick on, I feel like it's doable, and I could definitely try it with maybe even a burgundy or red lip liner to kind of alter the shading of it. It does feel matte. It's not, I'm not getting that stickiness on my lips, you know, like when you get some that stick. It's a beautiful, especially with the monotone, where it's like changing from my natural lip shade, or what you think is my natural lip line, to the actual lip color. So I'm looking at it in the camera, and I'm looking at it in the mirror, and in the mirror I'm like, okay, it just looks like I just have my my natural lips, but in the camera, I feel like it looks slightly off. The total for this box was $150.95. Granted, this is the base box and I only paid $25, and I feel like it was a really good deal. I really like the lipstick. I'm definitely going to have to play with this a little more, and the packaging alone is absolutely gorgeous. I'm curious if their other shades have different coatings on it, so if they have one that's pink, I'm definitely getting it. The Pure Festival, I didn't get the last one, and I heard mixed things about it, but I'm actually liking this one. It's got 5 shimmers, 5 mattes, and then 1 satin. I haven't touched the purple because, you know, I'm always going into purple, so I wanted to try something different, and lately I've been liking green. But you could definitely do the same look with the other shades. Looking forward to skincare. Vitamin C is something, if it works, and again, it takes time for you to see the results of skincare. If it works, I am like, ooh, blown away. The color swish, I'm like, considering that I don't like washing my brushes and I've got a pile that needs to be washed, maybe this is, you know, a hint that I could use this more often so that I don't have to wash my brushes. And then the Hourglass, I'm looking forward to using it, but I feel like I would go through it so quickly. Overall, I feel like I got a pretty good box. I would definitely recommend BoxyCharm. Just stick with it. And you're not going to get a perfect box every single time, but you will get a lot of options that'll help you improve or increase your beauty collection, which it has with me. I definitely recommend it. Let me know what you thought of my box, and let me know what you thought about this eye look. I'm really feeling it, and even though I'm wearing purple, it matches. It looks good. So I'm gonna let you guys go on that. Thank you again for watching my video. I hope that you have a great day, night, evening, whenever you watch this. Know that you're blessed and loved, and I'll check you guys out on the next video. Bye.